How Reiki Works. Hello there and welcome back to Reiki 1 course. This is Lesson 3. There are 50 trillion cells with omniscient wisdom. Every living thing in the universe is connected. Reiki is part of our genetic structure. Reiki stimulates growth, health, life and healing. Bad habits and poor choices result in the flow of Reiki being stifled. Reiki cannot be destroyed, it continues to exist as part of the universe. There are 7 major chakra points: the crown, the third eye, the throat, the heart, the solar plexus, the sacral, the root chakra. A full Reiki treatment rebalances the mind, body and spirit. It stimulates the immune system and removes toxins. Reiki stays with us for life. Reiki is pure energy. Reiki is channeled through the hands. Reiki is ever present in your body. Attunement adds balance and increases energy level and capacity. Reiki is the easiest to learn, master and administer, yet the results are profound. Reiki described as being similar to radio waves. Though we may not see the waves that are everywhere, one needs to be tuned into Reiki. Therefore, the best way to understand how Reiki works is to experience it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon.